Hello everyone, how are you? This is Alamin. Today I want to share about creativity. Solar sister, a creativity person always think different and find new way to solve problem. I really admire creativity people because they are make life more interesting. For example, one of my favorite creativity people is Leonardo da Vinci. He was a painter, inventor, and scientist. His creativity changed the world. In my own life, I try to be creativity too. I enjoy writing new story, making new video, and learning new skill. Creativity helped me express my thought and emotional. Being creativity is not just about art. It can be in cooking, studying, or even how we talk to others. Anyone can be creativity if they are open mind and curious. That's all about me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Stay well. See you soon.